Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my breakfast casserole, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So for the recipe, I am using red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and just a little bit of onions. So for this casserole, you are going to need, colorful ingredients, because these ingredients make the recipe so good. Now you don't need a lot because I'm only making for, 2 people, so you don't need a lot of ingredients. So I don't know how much this is, maybe like a third of a pepper. So let's get started. Now that my peppers, my onions are done, we are going to get ready and start. So for this recipe, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of butter. And we are going to let it melt. So my next ingredient is going to be simply potatoes. And these are hash brown shredded. And I'm going to put, half of this. So you want to go ahead and keep on stirring. I'm adding about a 4th teaspoon of garlic powder, a 4th teaspoon of seasoned salt, a teaspoon of pepper. Continue mixing my ingredients. I'm going to need about 4 eggs. And I'm going to go ahead and mix the eggs, whisk them. Grab all my ingredients and add them in there. And I'm going to go ahead and pour all my ingredients on top. So I'm using white cheddar cheese. You can use Mexican cheese. I'm only using one because the person that I'm gonna eat with, they don't like cheese like that. So for this recipe, you can use all the ingredients that I use, and if you have to double them, you can double them, as well as the cheese. So I'm just gonna break that cheese apart like that. You can make it heavy if you want, but I'm not gonna make this one heavy. This for about 10 minutes until it looks like a well done egg, and I'm gonna bake it at 375 Fahrenheit, and we'll be right back. So guys, the timer went off and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this whole omelet. I'm gonna go ahead and add some garnish, some onions, fresh onions, Just a little bit. And a little bit of pepper on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And if you want, you can add some ketchup on there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut. So guys, we have reached the end. I hope you guys like this video and give this video a thumbs up. I hope you like it, and please share, comments, and just show some love. Come back again. See you next time on She So Randomly Make. Bye.